still throwing headshots.
Am I hitting him in the head?
You hit him dead once.
Go high.
Go.
Not that branch though.
Go. Yeah, again.
I'm trying to shoot a pizza.
Okay, again.
Pull it up hard, honey.
Okay. He can do by himself.
Hard. There you go. Good job.
I'm trying to shoot a pizza.
You said I can shoot a
Usually you don't put these in your hands, they will be hot.
Head against your shoulder. Up, 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 up. Not in your shoulder. Up like this.
He's looking down.
Okay. Well, sit down.